Sustainability. Co-funded by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Union. The European Commission's support for the production of this publication does not constitute an endorsement of the contents, which reflect the views only of the authors, and the Commission cannot be held responsible for any use which may be made of the information contained therein. Sustainability means humans and rest of the Earth's biosphere coexist in a balanced state. That balance will maintain that humans do not completely deplete Earth's bioresources, and Earth will continue feeding humans. The future tense we use here corresponds to future generations. This may sound a bit selfish from the point of humans. Do we want sustainability for us and for our future generations? Or do we want sustainability because it is the right thing to do? The two reasons don't seem to have conflicting targets. However, they may differ in the intensity in our efforts and going to lengths in achieving those targets. Question then becomes, how much more can we exploit natural resources to feed an ever-growing population? Answer lies in the areas of sustainability, which are also called pillars of sustainability. These areas are economic, social, and environmental. Economic sustainability can be achieved by finding ways that support long-term economic growth of a firm, nations, and the whole world, and that do not negatively affect communities or the environment. Examples of economic sustainability projects may include, for example, micro-urban or rooftop farming, low-cost solar or wind power systems, waste reduction efforts. Although their impact is debatable, each example targets improved economic well-being and a decrease in humanity's environmental impact. Take micro-urban and rooftop farming, for example. The methods utilize small patches of land in urban spaces that help decrease sewage and draining system strain, decrease building cooling requirements, increase food security, decrease transportation needs and carbon emissions. One might argue that these projects lack the economic efficiency due to their scales or have limited benefits to the environment. The produce might be prone to being affected by urban pollution. Still yet, these initial efforts are valuable as they pave the way to the development of better methods. Developing better methods first need the expertise of rural farmers being merged with the efforts of entrepreneurial urban citizens. Secondly, clustering micro-growers and joining resources of both urban and rural growers will improve economic efficiency and total product. Second area or pillar is the social sustainability. Although one might argue that economic and environmental sustainability can all be seen as parts of social sustainability, we define the area of social sustainability as a domain outside that of economic and environmental sustainability. Social sustainability is achieved by maintaining and improving minimum standards and equity in the following dimensions. 1. Physical dimension, including basic resources such as water, food, land, as well as housing, employment, safety, security, education, and health services. Social and cultural dimension, maintaining social equity through justice and fairness of social policies that provides equitable outcomes to all members. Governance dimension, using transparent, participating, and engaging processes leading to community development. Maturity and growth that leads to broader social and philosophical explorations. Finally, environmental dimension refers to managing the use of natural resources in such a way to keep the integrity of Earth's ecosystem. The events to watch are atmospheric changes such as global warming, life in oceans, freshwater security, good land use to avoid habitat loss for wildlife, maintaining forests, uses of chemicals on cultivated land, avoiding extinctions, and preventing invasion by foreign species. The most relevant is managing cultivated land through sustainable agricultural practices. Sustainable agricultural principles span all three sustainability areas. The long-term targets include providing and securing human food needs, avoiding environmental degradation and enhancing natural resources used by agriculture, minimizing the use of non-renewable resources, supporting the farm economically, enhancing the quality of life of the farmer. The presented video has been originally designed and prepared by Makro and will be used as training material of VALOR project.